Alright, so not much really here to talk about today, but one thing that is hard to deal with right now, and if you guys haven't seen what I'm dealing with Ralph, is parts issues, and parts issues across the board everywhere. So it's affecting the entire industry. Right here, Trans Warehouse, this is their website. I'll put a link down in the description so you can go check it out. And they have everything. They have a number right there that you can call them, and they have everything that you're going to need anywhere. Most of the stuff that they have is going to be in stock, so link down in there and you can check out what I went through and check out the rest of the video. But yeah, link to their stuff, and hope you enjoy. So right here, the rebuild kit. The transmission guy that I'm talking to, he highly recommends this kit. He says it's a very good kit. McLeod Robustus for the 4L80 complete comes with the bushings, the plates, both bands, the filter. It doesn't come with the pistons. Good, well put together kit for a 97 to 2011 4L80. There are some things that I've been gathering, and then you can see right here, you can shop online and go to Jegs, McLeod, or Summit. But if you go right here, boom, to Summit, what we got? Freaking March. I actually called McLeod themselves and says they are on national back order for these things everywhere. Jegs says the 20th. That is false, because that's just them giving a random ETA. You'll see two different part numbers right here for the kit that I want to get. This is the 88075K. That means the K has the upgraded steels from Robustus. Everywhere I go, this random place, CSP Racing, they have it. Doesn't show it that it's in stock or not in stock, but then we get the side email, extended back order. Check over here, LMP, LM Performance, whatever the case is. They don't say anything here on their website. Call them, they're on back order. Suncoast, I've heard very good things about Suncoast. Suncoast, I go over there and I call them up, and they are missing like half of the stuff to make a kit. I don't know exactly what they're missing. I think they're missing either the pistons or some seals. They got all the plates, they got the steels and clutches, but they don't have anything. You can check even over here, even looking at torque converter is very scarce. That one's in stock, but no review. Only 4, only 8, only I don't know about that one. That one has 2 stars. We're not gonna go that route. So only 9, but you see the boy, some pro mod. I just want a good little remanufactured one, man. I just want, you know what I'm saying, maybe a little higher stall. So after all this digging, I found some stuff on eBay that I was looking for here. Do not buy from eBay. I actually bought this kit, and I'm in the process of getting a refund for it because they charged me twice, and I found a better one. You can see here, this is an Alto product. The transmission guy I talked to said Red Alto is a very, very good kit. I found that this one was actually being sold by Trans Warehouse, which is right here, Trans Warehouse. So I went to cancel that order, went to Trans Warehouse right here. They're located in Redding, California, and look it, they have it in stock. Actually, when I called them to place an order in, there was 2 other people that had just called about it. They only have a few of these in stock. So if you got a 4L80 or whatever the case is, a 60 or whatever you want to get built, get it over here, because look at what it comes with. For this price, you get the Red Alto clutches, you get the pistons, you also get the sprags, which don't come in many of these kits. You get both bands there and there. Comes with all the seals that you're gonna need. Comes with all the washer sets that you're gonna need, the bushing set that you're gonna need, the bearing set that you're gonna need, all the thrust washers, all the plugs and seals, all the O-rings, everything you're gonna need up and down to do a full kit. The guy I called on the phone when he said it, he was like, you will be ready to do anything with this 4L80. So it's not bad. $5.99 for the kit. They have it in stock. I will put a link down on the website for this place, and if you do end up buying something from them, tell them, you know, whatever, that you saw it from this video or whatever the case is. Let the freaking Lupe is the one that told you to go over there and go get their stuff, because literally they're the only people, the only website anywhere that has anything in stock for 4L80 as far as a full rebuild kit. There are other places that you can go to, but I don't really trust any of that stuff. And then you can see here we got the Alto High Performance Deluxe Level 2, which means it just comes with a intermediate band, reverse band, all the bushings, pistons, steels, all the sprags, and everything that you're going to need to do it. The transmission that I got is a 97, so this is 97 and up. They also have 96 and earlier, but this is it. This is a quick rundown of where to get your 4L80 stuff. If you want to go ahead and get you a good kit, it is on the way. It is going to be here Monday. I got so much stuff. I'm trying, because nobody has parts. I got a GM harness for the trans connector. I got that coming from Walmart. Of all places, Walmart had it in stock. Rock Auto didn't have it, O'Reilly's didn't have it, Amazon doesn't have it. If Amazon does have it, actually, I can show you right here. Shoo, GM Genuine, that's the part number, internal harness for the 4L80. But you can see right there, January 5th to the 12th. So the issue is not trying to get a hold of this stuff, it is just trying to get a hold of this stuff that's going to be shipped relatively quickly. Thankfully, this kit is going to be on the way. I also have a shift kit on the way, which is that right there, Shift Technology Products, Superior Technologies, whatever you want to call it. That is the kit that he recommended. I was thinking about going something with a Transgo kit, but I call him Steve Transmission Master. He recommended me to go a different route, so I'm gonna go with the Superior shift kit. It's already on the way. It's gonna be here probably Monday. So I got the shift kit gonna be here. I got the kit that's gonna be here. Once I source a torque converter, that's it. There is very little stuff that needs to be done onto the actual Tahoe itself in order for me to get everything put together, but that's where I'm at right now. I said I was going to give you guys an update. We got a whole bunch of parts sourcing that I've been trying to do. I don't know if you can tell in my eyes, but I've been doing it literally all night, all day, trying to find something. But yes, 4L80, transport warehouse, everything else, Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, wherever it is, whoever carries this stuff, find it. If you need it and have it in stock, get it now, because it's harder and harder to find this stuff as the days go on. I will see you guys later.